Okay, so I'm here at RMUG with StevenFeuerstein, and he's not hacking down trees at the moment, which is a favorite pastime of him, but he has recently put together a team of developer advocates, two of which are focused exclusively on SQL. Anybody who knows Steven knows that he's built a career out of PLSQL, and he's obviously taking the lead on that. You know, one of the things that I've been excited about RMUG is there's a bunch of high school students running around and learning, and when I accosted them in the hallways and said, you know, what are you guys learning? And they said, well, we've just been doing Apex, we've got these great accounts on apex.oracle.com, and next session we're learning about SQL. And I was just thinking about some of the things that we've done in the live SQL with Mike Hitchwa building that out, and hopefully soon that's going to be available for them. But for the guy just starting out, the complete newbie, you know, if he can write SQL, why would he care about PL/SQL? I mean, programmable logic SQL, what exactly is that? What does it bring to the table versus SQL?
So first of all, it's not SQL versus PL/SQL at all. If you're using Oracle database, if you're using any relational database, you are going to write SQL. That's the pathway into the database, and it's a fantastic language for data manipulation. SQL itself is not the language that you can use to build entire applications. So then you're going to be using something else. You might be building an application express, which allows you to then build PL/SQL on top of SQL. I'll come back to that. It might be Java, JavaScript, whatever. So there's going to be something on top of SQL, and you can't avoid SQL. Now PL/SQL offers the way to basically wrap your SQL, control it, and manage it more effectively to offer it up to that higher level user interface language. That's really the most fundamental way to think about PL/SQL. You don't want to write Java or JavaScript and directly execute SQL. You essentially lose control of your application. It's very hard to maintain and optimize your SQL. If you wrap it inside SQL, and if you push your business rules and logic like that down into the database and encapsulate behind PL/SQL interfaces, you'll have a much easier application to build, easier to maintain, and way easier to optimize performance around.
And it's easier to maintain because these PL/SQL packages are inside the database. Basically, you back up your database, you get your PL/SQL packages.
That's certainly a part of it. The reason I like PL/SQL and the reason it's so maintainable is that it's a pretty simple language. So computer languages in general are not that difficult to learn compared to human languages, but still they can get pretty funky. PL/SQL is very straightforward, very readable. It's designed to do one thing, which is to enhance database programming against SQL. So it's highly optimized just in the way it's constructed to be easy to read and use. And fundamentally, the language is highly maintainable in its form.
Excellent. Well, Steven, always, thanks very much. I appreciate that quick intro into PL/SQL and PL/SQL. Thanks.
Welcome.